Support Justin Alford in 2026. Little Elm Football, a community with deep roots. Little Elm, Texas, is a community with a proud history and an exciting future. Long before Little Elm became the rapidly growing community we know today, families were building their lives here and investing in the education of their children. The roots of Little Elm ISD go back to the 1860s, when the first school in the area operated out of a private home. A one-room log cabin schoolhouse was built in 1865, and in 1877, Little Elm officially became a public school district. Over the decades, Little Elm continued to grow. The first graduating class of Little Elm High School was in 1974, with just 13 seniors. By 2024, the graduating class had grown to 573 students. Today, Little Elm ISD serves students and families across Little Elm and several surrounding communities. Despite that tremendous growth, one thing has remained constant: the importance of community. Little Elm has always been a place where families, educators, coaches, businesses, and neighbors come together to support young people and help them succeed, building the next generation of Lobos. One of the most visible expressions of that community pride is Little Elm High School athletics. The Lobos represent more than a school mascot. They represent determination, teamwork, discipline, perseverance, and pride in the community. Little Elm ISD describes athletics as an opportunity for student athletes to learn, grow, persevere, and succeed both on and off the field. Football is an important part of that tradition. For the young men who take the field, football is about much more than wins and losses. It teaches them how to work together, how to respond when things don't go as planned, how to accept responsibility, and how to keep working toward a common goal. Those lessons can stay with them long after their final game. The Little Elm football program also provides an opportunity for the entire community to come together. Families fill the stands, classmates cheer from the sidelines, coaches invest countless hours in their players, and former Lobos can take pride in watching the next generation carry the tradition forward. Supporting Justin Alford and the 2026 Little Elm football program. Justin Alford is proud to be part of the Little Elm football family, and he is asking family, friends, neighbors, and Lobo supporters to help make the 2026 season a success. This fundraiser is an opportunity to invest directly in the young athletes who are working hard to represent Little Elm. Every donation matters. The funds raised through this campaign will support the 2026 Little Elm football program and help provide opportunities and resources that allow these student athletes to compete, develop, and succeed. Your support doesn't have to stop with a donation. If you are unable to contribute financially, sharing this fundraiser with your friends, family, co-workers, and social media community is another meaningful way to help. When a community supports its student athletes, it is supporting much more than a football team. It is supporting young people as they learn the value of commitment, teamwork, leadership, responsibility, and perseverance. That is what makes community support so important. Please join us. We are asking you to join Justin and the Little Elm community in supporting the 2026 Little Elm football program. Whether you give $10, $25, $50, $100, or whatever amount is comfortable for you, your contribution can make a difference. Every donation helps, every share helps, every word of encouragement helps. Let's come together to support Justin Alford, the Little Elm Lobos, and the young men who are working hard to make their school and community proud. Thank you for believing in these student athletes and for helping give them the opportunity to achieve greatness. Thank you for your support, and go Lobos. Please see donation link in the video description below.